Imagine being able to turn almost anything into a product you can actually sell. In this video, I'm using the EufyMake E1 UV Printer to show you 25 different ways you can start a business and make money. From simple ideas you can try today to more creative projects you might not have thought of yet. The best part, you don't need to be an expert, you just need a bit of curiosity and a willingness to give it a go. I'll be sharing real ideas, inspiration, plus my own tips and tricks and how-tos along the way. So if you've ever thought about starting something creative or turning your ideas into income, this is for you. A UV printer that's for small workshops and for use at home with low maintenance. I have a previous video where I go over the basics of this machine. One of the features of this machine is to be able to make stickers, and since that last video I've really got the hang of it. So I'll share the benefits of making the stickers and my ideas with you. DTF is direct to film. We place these sheets down on the sticky print bed so that the thinnest film is at the top. We can then peel this thin film away to expose the sticky surface. This is the surface that the UV printer is going to print on. Once printed on, we feed this through the laminator, and out the other side comes our sticker. Here I've printed my logo, and what a fantastic service we have here to be able to offer to companies to be able to brand any of their products. Easy to apply, and on larger items like this that we can't get physically under the UV printer. This is the huge bonus for being able to create these stickers. This next idea is where it gets really interesting. A glass tumbler or vase where we also see the inside. We're able to print these stickers, which are double-sided. Really simply in the settings, we select CMYK white, CMYK. Load the DTF and print. Take the film or paper off the back to reveal the sticky of the sticker. Stick it onto our glass. Squeegeeing the design down is a really important step just to make sure everything adheres really tightly. Then the protective top laminate layer can be pulled away. This is a standout feature to really boost sales. Imagine all the design possibilities here. It's definitely worth playing around with all the settings to really find products that you can offer that are completely different from other people. With this giraffe design, I took away the background and eliminated the white layer, so we're left with this beautiful transparent effect that can be added to so many different products. You can choose how many layers and how thick you want the design to come out as well. When we're looking at products we want to print on, we don't have to think they just have to be rigid. The UV printer prints on flexible items like this too, but it is best to change out the ink to be a flexible white ink. Bear that in mind with your print runs. Make sure you do all the flexible items all together, as it takes about 15 minutes to change the ink over. This is a kind of rubber, and as you can see, it adheres really well. Why not reach out to some local businesses and offer your services to them? See how you can help them and improve their brand. On this printer's flatbed, we can create pieces up to A3 in size. The ice cream brand that I just visited would like some new logos on their large freezers. So I was able to say, yes, I can absolutely do that for you. And for this, no, we don't need the flexible ink like you might think. It's the regular white ink. From the drop-down menu, I make sure I click sticker and also make sure I remove any of the background. I did this one as a sample to show them how fantastic it was going to be, with the hope to get some more business from them when they knew what a fantastic service I could offer. All with thanks of my UV printer. For businesses that are a bit further away from you, you can add these in the post or the mail, along with some instructions. When I went back to add this on, the business owner did tell me that another product they love to buy are mini blackboards, but it's really quite expensive to buy the ones with their logo on. So I most definitely said, I can do that too. I encourage you to go around companies that are local to you and see what you can offer them. Amazing results, even the cows think so. I printed some small logo stickers on fast mode to see if they had more of a chalk-like effect for me to try out on this sample blackboard from the company. This one was a really fast print, and I think it looks really great on this chalkboard. So I can give the company a choice of whether they want this or the full body of colour, which takes a little bit longer and more ink. With this UV printer, it's definitely worth experimenting, seeing how long things take, and also the different kind of effects you can get out of the machine. I've printed some more large stickers so they can have them on their other freezers, and what I recommend to you when I go back to this one, I'm most definitely going to take some business cards. So when people go into shops like this, there's always someone that will ask them, Where did you get your signage? I want that. And so they have the details to be able to pass on. Next sticker applied, and I can totally recommend the ice cream here too. See if companies are willing to offer something they've never thought of before. The cow print from the very beginning in this video, everybody loved. I can most definitely recreate these in a small version, and a shop like this can stock items like this to link to their brand. So it's worth going around local companies, taking a sample and seeing if they will stock it. The cow designs were run through the brushstroke software, can be printed to any thickness you require, and these were on canvas. A great alternative to canvases are these wooden boards, an opportunity to be able to offer something that little bit different. If you notice here my little heater next to the UV printer, here in the UK in the winter, I just needed to warm up the machine before I was about to use it. For the rest of the day it would then be fine. This A3 board is printing beautifully. It's a photograph of a zebra ran through the software to give us this effect. A gorgeous product you can offer for sale. I love these ones, I really do. The EufyMake software is great to explore, although you do need credits to be able to use some other functions. Designing pet products can be a highly profitable business. This is my friend's dog and I'm going to create them something beautiful. I run the images through the software and decide what kind of look I'm after. I'm going to print this one on canvas, so I make sure I put in my flexible white ink. When printing a larger piece like this, make sure you check your ink levels before you press print. Or like I had to here, I changed the ink after a couple of inches, and you can see the colour shift at the bottom. This colour change hasn't happened before, so I'm not sure if that's normal, but just check those levels. Again, you can choose how thick you want the printer to print. Just like I did here for this magnet, where you can really see the thickness of the ink. And depending on the design, you can get some really gorgeous effects with this. This really is a feature worth experimenting and playing with and seeing what kind of results you can get out of it. Definitely able to add some value to the pieces you can sell. I love to illustrate, and so I can scan these designs in and print these out, for example, on these coasters. And again, you can get different results depending on the settings. Items like this are quite quick to print, and it's usually quite cheap to buy some items like this in bulk to begin with. Tiny stickers with cute designs are a great product to be able to post and mail out. And don't forget, a UV printer can print onto so many different materials. If you have the design skills and software to be able to do logos, offer that service alongside your UV printing too. I redesigned this company logo and added it to some perspex. I know they're going to be happy with this. Printing on powdered metal works really well, and I created this one for myself. We can pick up good value packs of things like mirrors and use the UV printer to elevate them. Raw wood prints on well, but this is going to be a coaster, so what I do is varnish them over the top to protect and seal the whole piece. I sometimes make little craft kits, and so for the paintbrushes I can personalize them, put plenty of them on the print bed at one time and just print them all in one go. With this next one, I wanted to push the limits of the printer and see how high we can go with that relief effect. We can select anything up to 5mm. Just take a look at the preview just to make sure it hasn't missed any bits like it did here, then retweak things and rerun it. I love the possibilities with this, I really do. Printing photographs with added texture is another great product idea to sell. Ignore the green here, that was my fault, not the printer's. If you're lucky enough to have a laser or know someone with one, that opens up the product ideas even more. This was for a cake topper, but we just need to make sure the print doesn't touch anywhere there's going to be any food or drink. Within the software, there's a huge bank of resources ready to use. I quite often make some greetings cards to make use of these designs. It prints well on cardstock, and weddings would be a great one for this. Every now and again, the machine performs some maintenance. Within the software, you can also have some fun with some faces. We printed some of these out on some magnets. One of the #1 sales items are tumblers and mugs, for which you can add a rotary attachment, but if you don't have one of these and don't want to purchase this as an add-on, and you do have the laminator, you can of course add the design in this way. With the A3 DTFs, you can of course add lots of designs to one piece and then cut them out. Within the first couple of months of having this machine and the laminator, I wasn't keen on the laminator because I really didn't understand the process, but now that I do, this I think is one of my favourite pieces of kit. And just like that, we can add the design to the tumbler. And for pieces like this, I wouldn't be able to add that design all the way up to the handle, and so using the sticker for this really enables me to get the design I absolutely want. Plant pots are another option. Another good feature of the stickers, I can print out the stickers with my designs on, but when I get an order in, I can then add that to the plant pot. So if one design hasn't been as popular as another one, I don't need to waste that plant pot, and I can add the stickers and the design on once I'm ready to ship and once I've had that order. Stickers also give us that option of being able to change our mind about where the design wants to be placed. And just in case, on that very odd chance that the design and print doesn't come out just right and it ruins the piece, if it comes out wrong on the sticker, we just don't add it to the product. It's nice to be able to get the design to be able to bend around a piece and mold to its shape, but on this one, I didn't do it quite right, so don't do what I did here. The UV printer can print onto Lego really well as well, so another really good one to experiment with. Why not reach out to local businesses and offer your services, or find products you can elevate to start making money with your EufyMake UV printer? It's a great way to fund your next batch of ink or keep your creativity going. If you're interested in the printer, check the link out below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next creative video.